Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Volvo V70. So, at the moment it's on nav. What we do, we press telephone. That's got no phone connected. It's searching for a phone. However, you don't want it to do that, so you press exit. It says no phone connected, connect with OK. I don't want to connect a phone. As I want to delete one, so we click OK. That brings up that menu, add phone, Barry's iPhone. We click exit again. Then new menu comes up. You see there phone book, change phone, remove Bluetooth device. We turn the rotary control down to remove Bluetooth device and click OK. Remove all or one. So I want to remove my phone, select it, I highlight it, turn the rotary control, then click OK. It still asks me again, do you want to remove Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Confirm with OK, cancel with exit, so confirm. So, you know, it ain't simple. It really isn't simple. Okay, I'll just do that again. So we want to delete a mobile. It's on nav at the moment. We go to telephone. That's saying no phone connected, connect with OK. It's searching for a phone. I don't want it to do that, so I want to click exit, connect with OK. If I click connect with OK, it brings up this menu, add phone, Nick's phone. So I click, I don't want to add one, so I click exit. It brings up the new menu. Down to remove device, click OK. Remove all or Nick's phone, click OK to remove. Do you want to remove Nick's phone? Confirm with OK, cancel with exit, OK. That's it gone. Not too easy at all, really. But anyway, that's how you do it. Hopefully you won't have to do that many times. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V70. So what we need to do, we need to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, it's green at the bottom, switches over. Then we watch out here at the bottom, we go to telephone, on the switches, no phone connected. Now, don't ask me why, but it's already searching for my phone, so I'm gonna click exit and show you how to do it. So it would normally come up onto that screen, connect with OK. There's no phone connected, connect with OK. So we click OK. Add phone, click OK. Make sure Bluetooth phone is in discoverable mode. Well, it is. Click OK. It's now looking, you see there, that's turning where the phone is. It's looking for the phone. The phone's discoverable. Now, bearing in mind, it might take a little longer because I've just deleted this phone from the system and now I'm pairing it again, so the car's probably thinking I'm an idiot. It's brought up Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there, so we click OK. Enter following passcode in mobile number 1096, but watch what happens. 1096 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Successfully paired, connecting, and then we just need to find it on here. Where is it? I think it was that My V back down there. You go, My Volvo connected. So that's it. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Volvo V70. Now, if we go to your music, you'll see there My Volvo Car. If I click on that at the bottom of the speaker, the choices are iPhone or My Volvo Car. The tick next to the Volvo Car means that any audio you play on your phone will come through the system in this in the car. So we'll go back to the record. I've turned it down, as you can see there, so that's turned down, and I'm going to click play. That's playing. I go over to the system, I click media. Now media, that's come up on auxiliary. So what you need to do now is click media again. That brings up a different menu. We use the rotary control here to go to Bluetooth, click OK on Bluetooth. That's showing it's playing this record through this system. If I turn this up and then turn this up, there you go. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Volvo V70. Again, not quite as simple as you might hope. However, I'll try and make it easy for you. Navigation button here, so we click nav. Nothing shows up. You have to click nav again. That brings up the new menu, set address, set points of interest. So we go to, it's highlighted on set address, we click OK on the rotary control here. Now it's on street, but we go to city. There you go, city. Then we click OK. But we want postcode. Now you'll see here in this other little menu here, postcode, last 5. So we turn the rotary control till we get to postcode. Click OK on postcode. Now, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R, it's defaulted to numbers, 5, PR54 here. That's what we want, PR54, OK. Select street, OK. We're selecting street. So we are Blackburn Road, so onto the B, and you'll see on this side here, the more letters I fill in, the fewer choices you have. Blackburn Road, so it's come to Blackburn Road, that's kind of my only choice. I click OK. Set single destination. You can set a number there, we've no number, so set single destination. Done that, clicked OK. Destination is nearby, please check the map. Well, as you can see, we're sat on the forecourt. That's it, that's how you set the sat-nav. I hope I made that as clear as I could. Good luck with it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.